Office Ergonomics Case Study 1. Office worker carrying out tasks at a computer workstation. In this case study, we see an office worker carrying out tasks at a computer workstation. The worker is sitting at an untidy desk with different hazards visible. These hazards include poor lighting, the lack of an adjustable seat, the lack of knee clearance under the desk due to storage of boxes, the monitor height being set too high, and the phone being located at another desk behind the worker. The worker is unable to maintain a good posture and is slouched over the desk, unable to get close to the monitor. The phone starts to ring and the worker leans over the side of the chair to answer. The employer needs to complete a risk assessment of the workstation in order to develop a better way of working, which reduces or eliminates the risk of injury. The steps to be followed are: the assessor goes to the employee workstation with assessment form. The assessor observes work practices and completes assessment. The assessor records findings and identifies follow-up actions. A copy of the completed assessment form is given to the employee. Let's now look at the risk factors and problems encountered with this workstation. The poor working posture is caused by the monitor being too high, the seat not being adjustable, the inadequate space for the worker to find a comfortable position, the absence of a document holder, and the lighting conditions being inadequate. Once a risk assessment has been carried out, a new system of work can be implemented, as demonstrated in the following sequence. This improved computer workstation layout includes the monitor being in the correct position, the provision of an adjustable seat, knee clearance underneath the desk and the provision of a footrest, the provision of a document holder, improved lighting, the telephone being closer to the user, and the worker being aware of their posture. Here is a summary of the main display screen equipment regulation requirements. The employer must ensure individual workstations are assessed. The employer must implement any changes resulting from assessments. The employer must make available eye and eyesight test. Display screen equipment. Assess to avoid, reduce, or reorganize.